In this video, I'll be talking about the text align property. Text align, it's pretty intuitive what it is. Basically, it works like Microsoft Word. You can control how the text inside of your element aligns. So by default, the text aligns to the left. However, if you want, you can make them move to the center. If you set the value of text align to center, then the text moves to the center. If you set the value of text align to right, the text moves to the right, and you can also set it to equal to justify. Again, just think Microsoft Word. Let me show you how this would look in the browser. So let's create a divider. Give it an idea of centered. Oops. Let's give it some text. This text, this is centered text. Okay. Let's give it a text align value of centered. And let's create another divider. Let's give this an idea of right. And this is right text. So let's give it a text align of right. And lastly, let's create a third divider and give it an ID of justified. And this is justified text. As before, let's give it a text align value. And let me show you how this would look in the browser. So, as you can see, this is how the text would look. Anyways, this honestly isn't very complicated. Just think Microsoft Word. It's really the same thing. Anyways, this about finishes this section. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.